Today we are flying a propeller plane. The takeoff was successful and everything is fine, but the propeller has a strange warped appearance. Does it seem to us, or is it really so? Here's what it's all about. The human eye sees a completely different picture, but if we look through the camera's eye, it looks like the propeller is falling apart. What we're talking about is called the rolling shutter effect, and it's a visual artifact created by the type of camera that captures the image. Many electronic cameras have a roll shutter that does not expose the entire sensor at once, but scans line by line in sequence. An extremely fast object can move significantly while the curtain moves line by line. This movement will create distortion in extremely fast objects such as propeller blades. You can see what is actually happening on the slow motion graphics. The red propeller spins as the shutter scans from bottom to top. Here is the proof that everything is in the best order with the propeller.